So, welcome back to Team Twinlock. It's been a little while, but here we are back with race trucks. Here for the weekend with Challenge Southwest. We're doing the charity rides in the challenge trucks here on the racetrack. The guys have a 1.3 mile circuit. You get 2 laps on that. 25 quid, money goes to charity. It's a good course, and you get to experience the thrill of a passenger ride in these trucks, which, let's be honest, is pretty cool. It's dry, it's dusty, the track's getting faster and faster, the boys are getting to know it all the better. So this is a course, it's about 1.3 miles, it's got some fast straights, some jumps, it's got some dusty corners, it's got some drifty corners. You will love it. If you're at Billing and you haven't been to come see Challenge Southwest and have a go in these challenge trucks, this is what you're missing out on. Yeah, amazing. Did it scare you? Nah, not at all. Oh, what? Did it scare you?
Nah, brilliant. Alright.
Did it scare you?
Yeah, alright, that. No.
Oh, what?
That's very well done.
How was that? Did he scare you?
Yeah, it was good though.
Good. How was that? Did he scare you?
No!
Oh, what?
Great fun! Really good. That was brilliant though.
You said you didn't scare her?
Oh, right.
Brilliant, no, he's not scary.
Oh, that was epic!
Did I scare you?
Yeah, no, that was good.
Amazing, thank you.
Right, welcome to the Billing long jump competition. There's some other stuff going on as well. This is where the action is. Gonna land. Not bad in a 300 TDI. Love it. Just an entrance and whoa, it's a big one. Coming in hot, he's going. Oh my goodness! Here we go. Holy, what the? We might have to go to the video referee. Where's he gonna go? Holy, we got a winner. I'm sure Sharpie's trying to test my reflexes. How's your rental?
I love a rental. I'm taking it very steady.
Yeah. Enjoying yourself?
Oh yes.
What's happening? You going easy on them?
Going easy?
Yeah.
When we were younger, we used to play fetch with them.
How was that? Did you scare yourself?
No.
Oh.
One beer tonight, just one beer.
Just one.
Because we are sensible drinkers. Challenge Southwest.
Are you gonna do a blowjob?
I'm giving a blowjob.
It's that car from off the telly.
How many have I done? I have no idea. Quite a few.
And Laurie's blown you off.
Laurie's blown me off.
He blows off everyone, he does.
Yeah.
Here, in his natural habitat, hunting for that perfect shot, the Thomas.
How do you feel about my erection?
It's quite a big erection.
It's a big erection.
Yeah, you can't miss it.
Oh, no, you know I don't like this.
And he drove, and then drive, and then he slept. And he sleeps.
Oh no. I think I've killed it.